The Barnsley Older People Physical Activity Alliance, or BOPPAA for short, is an alliance of charities, the council, NHS and private providers all working together to help older people move more. BOPPAA plays an important role in our health and social care future, offering a wide variety of activities in your community. BOPPAA is helping us achieve our ambitions for a healthy Barnsley by preventing falls, taking pressure off the NHS, improving mental well-being, increasing physical activity and tackling health inequalities for older people. BOPPAA has proved a hit in our local communities with over 2,000 people attending activities so far, and we hope to welcome many more people in the future.
We're really proud to be the lead organisation of Barnsley's Older People Physical Activity Alliance. We're working with older people to improve their health and fitness, and it's really successful, which is making a real difference in the lives of older people of Barnsley. So we're working with more than 60 organisations to promote a wide range of physical activity opportunities that will enable our communities to stay active. Whether you're looking to improve your strength and balance or fall back in love with a sport that you've played when you were younger, there's something for everybody. We're extremely proud of the impact BOPPAA is having in our communities, bringing people together after the pandemic to reconnect, stay active and have fun. The BOPPAA is an integral part of our collective mission to make Barnsley the best possible place to grow older in.
If we can help older people stay more active in their own homes, out of the hospitals, we're doing not only the National Health Service a service, but we're doing them a service furthermore.
I started the course because I was really down. I rang the doctor up because I knew I wasn't depressed, but there was something wrong. And she gave me a telephone number and I rang and joined. At my age, you've just got to keep moving. I had better balance than I had before I came. Everything really has improved.
We're all wanting to get these older people back strong to prevent any hospitalisation.
I can put trousers on without sitting down. I can go up and downstairs carrying washing without holding on to the banister now. To just help your core is great because you stand better, you walk better. Going along the road, you don't feel like you're going to trip up. You feel more in control with your whole body when you're walking, and it's made a big difference.
The class that I teach at the Metrodome in Barnsley is 50 plus aerobics. It helps obviously with mobility, excellent for balance, good for the heart and the lungs, but also as well it's a social thing for quite a lot of the people. A lot of people it does actually improve the quality of life and the mental health as well, which I think is really important.
I've been coming here for many years and I'm 90 next week. You got to keep exercising and walking.
Honestly, it's one of the best things I've ever done. Just feel amazing. It just gives you so much energy when you've done your class. You think it would tire you out, but it doesn't. It just puts you on a high for the rest of the day.
I try to keep going. I want to keep going as long as I can. And this walking cricket is certainly, it's marvellous.
So I guess the main benefits for older people in particular are, the gentle exercise, but also it helps people with cognitive responses because you've got to think about what you're doing when you're playing any sport really, and cricket just as much as anything else.
Our residents here, we've seen a big improvement on memory retention and their ability to actually take part in the actual class, so quite a lot of mobility issues they started with, and you can see it's easing a little bit, and mostly the social interaction side is they've really come on and they've made new friends in the class. It's been amazing to watch.
So the walking football session here, we do an hour. People look forward to this, not particularly just for the fitness side of things, but just to get out of the house and be involved in back in team sports. We have seen a lot of improvements in their fitness, their mental health as well.
I've been coming to walking football for 4 years now, and it's kind of life-changing. I started because I was suffering with heart palpitations and overweight, so I thought let's crack on and join, and I've never looked back really.
I've never been as fit and as healthy in all my life, and I've always played sport, mainly hockey. It totally changes your life if you play walking football.
I do quite a number of Tai Chi for health forms, but the basic one that I teach here at this group is Tai Chi for arthritis, falls prevention. So basically I'm trying to get them interested in moving. It's not just about reaching the bodily, it's getting the mind and body into harmony. And I think that by doing exercise, if you enjoy it, then that's what's going to happen.